Last episode, you scored a model, confusion matrix, ROC, PR, 3 separate views of one classifier. The instinct is to save them as 3 files. Don't. A report is one image a reviewer scans top to bottom. Today, you fold 4 seeded views into a single 2x2 dashboard, style it once, and save it to the digit. Picture 4 charts saved as 4 files. Someone opens them in the wrong order, one's stale, the legend font doesn't match. The reader spends their attention reconciling instead of reading. The fix is structural, not cosmetic. Put them on one canvas. Filter subplots 2x2 returns a figure and a 2x2 array of axes. You don't reach for pulled out plot anymore. You call the methods on each ax, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. 4 cells in one grid addressed by row and column, sharing one figure. Styling once means setting it once. A small RC params block, font size, grid, line width, applies to every panel, no per chart drift. Each panel gets a title and axis labels, the figure gets a subtitle. Consistency is the whole point of a report. Then 2 finishing calls. Tight layout pushes the panels apart so titles and ticks never collide. Save fig with a fixed DPI writes one PNG byte for byte, the same every run. That reproducibility is what makes a figure seatable instead of decorative. Here's the program. One seeded generator default arrang7 feeds all 4 panels, a histogram, a scatter with a fitted line, a small bar chart, and a cumulative line. We compute one headline number from the data and assert the panel shows it. We draw the seed once, then carve 4 datasets out of it, vals for the histogram, X and Y for the scatter, 4 category heights for the bars, and a cumulative sum for the line. Same RNG, so the same numbers every single run. Fig axis, subplots 2 to fig size 8x6. We unpack the array, axHeist, axScat, axBar, axCum, and call methods on each. axHeist.heist, axScat, scatter, axBar, .bar, axCum, .plot. No penalty, state machine, just explicit axes. The style block runs before any drawing. Pull tortoise param sets font size, grid on, line width. Every panel inherits it. Then per panel titles and labels, a fig.subtitle, tight layout, and save fig. Dashboard PNG, DPI 100. Run it. The terminal prints each panel's headline stat, the histogram mean, the fitted slope, the tallest bar, the cumulative endpoint, then the figure value we annotate, then the reproduce check. Read it. Mean of the sample, the least square slope, the winning category and its height, the final cumulative total, the annotated number on the scatter panel equals the printed slope. Run twice, the saved array bytes match, identical figure both times. One figure, 4 panels, styled once and saved once, that's report ready. 4 loose charts are 4 chances to drift. Next, we stop drawing data and start reading it as data. Images are just NumPy arrays with a shape, a D type, and color spaces.